The 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT. This is a crew cab pickup truck with an automatic transmission. This four-wheel drive pickup truck, with fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Chevrolet features dual front airbags, four-wheel drive, and tilt wheel. Safety features include traction control, OnStar, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include keyless entry, power windows, and power door locks. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.